This line tutorial is for people who don't think they draw well. I challenge you to try it, because when you do try it and it turns out, you just might fall in love with drawing, and the world needs more art. Start with a rectangle. Remember, if it goes too fast, tap the screen once to pause between steps. Now draw a circle under that, and a little triangle, a straight line, and another triangle. Okay, now draw a line across the top of the rectangle, and add two little arches. Let's make them ovals, and a circle, and another circle, but this time a jagged line. This will be the main. Two more small circles for the ears, and we're almost there. Let's put a few lines around the eyes, and some dots where the whiskers will go. Now we're ready for the marker. Outline the eyes carefully, one little dot in the middle for the pupil. Take your time with the nose, and color it in. Let's darken those major lines around the mouth and around the muzzle. Very light lines up the side of the head, and a few more lines around the nose and the eyes before we get to shading. Some more darker lines around the ears and the mane. There's no right way to do this, just keep it very loose and very light. And now for shading. Dark on the nose and around the eyes. Color in the mane, but leave the mouth very light. When you do shading, make sure you have a hard pencil, not a soft pencil, unless you want to go very dark. If you got value from this content, please interact with this video by following, liking, commenting, and sharing.